In this video, you will learn how to use autofill option in Microsoft Excel. You can use this option to save a lot of time. Let's start this tutorial. Firstly, I will write two numbers. Now I will select both these cells. And if you place cursor at the corner, you will find this plus sign. Drag this one. Then Excel automatically fill the remaining cells in series. You can see here it's filled from 1 to 12. Similarly, if you write only one digit, for example 1, and drag this one, you can see here Excel automatically copy all these cells. Here I have write two digit, for example 1 and 2, and it recognize pattern, but here I write only 1, and hence Excel only copy these cells. If you want to fill the series, simply here is the option, go to this arrow sign and you will find different option. For example, I select this fill series. You can see here it's automatically fill in series. Now if I want to move this text in horizontal direction or vertical direction, you can do this. For example, if I want to move it here, it will fill the cells in this series, and if you want to series fill option, click fill series. Similarly, if you want to move it in this direction, you can do that. For example, I write here 4 and I drag it in this direction. It will automatically fill these cells. Now if you want to write the month, for example January, and drag it, it will automatically fill the remaining cells, February, March, April. If you write it in abbreviated form, for example JAN, and drag it, the remaining cell will be filled in abbreviated form. Similarly, you can use it for year. Days of week, Monday, and MON. You can use it for the formatting of two columns simultaneously. For example, I will select this one and drag it. Now you can observe that both these columns are filled. One is with full name and other is with abbreviated name. And if you want to fill these series with a gap, for example, I want to just insert even number 2, 4, select these cells and drag it. You can see here Excel has only placed these numbers. And if you want to just copy this again and again, go to this option and down arrow, click on it and select copy cell. You can see here these are copied here. Now if you want to write any name, just drag it, it will be copied here. Now if you write product 1, and drag it here, you can see here it automatically write product 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, you can use it for example, I write Q1 and drag it, and it will automatically fill the remaining cells. You can also use for date, for example, and drag it, it will automatically fill the dates. Now if I want to insert here the number with the difference of 5, for example 5 and 10, and if instead of dragging I will double click on it, you can see here it will automatically fill this column, and I will double click on it. You can see here it automatically fill these columns, and it will fill the row where the data is present, last row. You can see here data is present in 15 rows, so it's fill the 15 rows. So thanks for watching this tutorial.